how to go to Facebook Marketplace. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the ways to go to Facebook Marketplace or enable Facebook Marketplace. And once you open up your Facebook application, you'll be taken to the home page. While you're on this page, you can see right on top there are multiple tools. So right in between, you can also see this icon, square icon, that's actually a marketplace. So this is the marketplace icon. So if you're unable to find a particular icon on the Facebook, then you can go ahead and tap the tab bar icon from the top left, and here as well on the menu, on the shortcut menu page, you'll be able to find the marketplace, as you can see right over here. Also, if you're unable to find it right over here, then what you can do is you can go ahead and tap on see more, which is located right at the bottom, and then you might be able to find the marketplace located right over here. However, if you're still unable to find it, what else you can do is you can go ahead and change your date of birth. Now if you're not 18 or up, then the particular feature is not available for under 18, so then you can go ahead and change your date of birth. In this way, you can enable or go to your Facebook Marketplace. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.